Okay, so guys, Matt's in here. Another special. I just woke up and yeah, Swan Josh is here. And we're gonna do a Rubik's Cube. So basically, I'm just gonna solve it to see how fast I can and just record it for you guys. And then, yeah, let's get started. First, he has to scramble it.
Okay, guys, so I have to do a really hard scramble for Johnson, or AKA Batson Gaming. So I'm gonna get the help from Ryan Tran. Come on, come here. Come on. All right. So he's gonna tell me what to move and just that. Okay. So tell me. Left.
Prime 2.
Prime 2. Okay.
Up.
Up.
And just keep on going.
Come on. Keep on telling my moves.
Oh, just keep going. Just keep going.
Okay.
Random.
Okay, so, it's, okay, guys, it's not possible to, not get every color on the same color. There's 6 sides and 9, sheets of colors or something. So, it's technically, it is technically impossible. So, yeah. So.
Camera dropping down.
The camera just dropped.
Okay, you done?
Almost.
Changing it. Changing it. Changing it. Changing it.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, so now I'm gonna get started and you guys can watch. Wait, let me put the camera a little bit higher. Yeah. Damn it, wrong way. Okay. Come on, Stan. No, that's blocking the way. Okay. Okay, so. Damn it. Let's try to solve this Rubik's Cube. And wait, let me first set up the camera and then I'll let you guys see.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm gonna start solving the Rubik's Cube now. So alright, let's I took like one day to do this. To really master it. Okay, so 1, 2. On your hand. Alright. So now get into the sides. All around. And get up. We're pretty much almost done. We just need to do the other sides. And this is the last side. Last top, I mean. There. That's the corner piece. Now we need to do the bottom. Not the bottom. Okay, so just a little because my dad just came in and then he always yells, so I didn't want him to mess up the video. Yep. He might mess up the video still, guys, so hope you guys don't mind. But he still will mess up the video, I think. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can so we could get over with it already. Okay, we're almost done. We just completed the 2 top layers. So now we need to do the bottom.
The bottom, so you have class.
Okay, class. I have everything. Okay. Done. Okay.
using specific algorithms, guys.
Pretty much almost done, guys. So this is the last part. And we're done.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah, that's I don't know. This video was like a little bit confusing. But yeah, so hope you guys liked. You can like the video, subscribe to see more. And yeah, this is just Swat and Josh trying to be the cameraman and stuff. So yeah. And that's Brian still playing games. So yeah, see you guys.
bye.
Also, this is like 3 days before Halloween. So yeah, happy Halloween. Happy early Halloween.